Hey bitch, it's me, Brett, and for today's video, bitch. Well, hi guys, it's me, Jade. For today's video, I'm going to do another recreation makeup look. So the first recreation na ginawa ko is the How You Like That ni Jenny. So we're going to stop using the because we're going to channel into Bretman rock. Yeah, so for today's video, I'm going to do the Fresh Face Fantasy or the FFF by Bretman Rock. So if you want to know what I'm going to do for today's video, just keep on watching. But first, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for update kung when ako nag-upload. I'm really excited.
It's Brett here, and for today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the FFF tutorial. Now, if you don't know what FFF means, bitch, you need to start watching my Instagram stories. That's fake as fuck. FFF means the Fresh Face Fantasy. Now, a lot of girls would call this back in 2016, 15, 17, and even 18 last year. That is so last season. A lot of people would call this the no makeup look, but bitch, that is ew. Like ew, that is what old people would call it. I'm young, I'm cute, I'm hung. Bitch, we call it FFF, a Fresh Face Fantasy. And I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to look cute without even trying. Period. For the first product, we're gonna be using some primer. This is the La Mer Perfecting Treatment. I actually got this product.
Wait, so she's using the Lumiere primer, so I don't have any primer and I'm kind of low budget, so let's stick with what I have. So the closest thing na kamukha ng ginamit niya is from my Skin Perfect Revitalizing Collagen Elastin Cream. So I know it is not primer, but who cares? This is my channel and wala akong ganun, so let's improvise, diba? Yeah, so I'm going to take this.
That is product recommendation from Miss Steven from Glam Sex Events. Hey, Miss Steven, he's my favorite thing ever.
So ginano niya da.
What he used on me in Coachella, and I was like, oh my god, my life has just been changed. And while I'm setting this on my face, I'm sorry if you can see like a little sparkle on my face. I had like a bath last night and it was like one of those Lush bath bombs that had like little glitters in them. And bitch, they don't want to leave my face. So yeah. But while that's drying, I'm gonna be using some Benefit.
So let's dry it down. Oh, so eyebrows.
My motherfucking favorite brow pencil in the world. If anything, this is sometimes the
Okay, so she's using the Benefit eyebrow pencil. I don't have that kind of thing. For the eyebrow pencil, I'm going to use my Itke Natural Auto Eyebrow Pencil in black.
only product that I use on my face because the eyebrows are the window to your soul. I think that's what it says.
It's the frame.
The eyebrows are the window to your soul. Bitch, I don't know, but my eyebrows are the window into this pussy, so bitch, I have to make sure she's always put together and perfect. Now before I do my eyebrows, I always
so as you can
like,
see, he is brushing his eyebrows
make sure
upwards, so I'm going to do the
standing
same.
at attention, like bitch, wake the fuck up.
Wake up, girl. Wake up.
Now that they're up,
Just going to
I like
brush
to use
my eyebrows.
this side. I'm using shade number 5, by the way. I really like how these Precisely My Brow Pencils have a lot of shades because we all have different hair. We all have different colors, you know what I mean? I really like how this also doesn't like break easily. She's sturdy to house. Now how I like to use this is I like to make sure the tops of my brows are even first and then I do the sides because I'm not really lacking brows like on like right here in the center. Like if I put product in there, it's really redundant because you're not even gonna see it anyways. So I just like to make sure the sparse part is even. So as you can see, the tops of my brows are pretty even, I like to say. And then now I like to do the ends. It's so fucking fucking good. And then
so
after
I'm
I do
just
my
going to
brows, I
brush
like to
my
brush them
eyebrows
out
now.
again. You know,
Okay.
brush it out. And then I like to touch like the center of my brows to add like the product that probably got stuck in there. Just to add like a little shadow moment.
Teka lang, Brett. Chill.
And now we're done with the brow.
So mananaig pa rin yung kaysa sa because I'm not Brett, you know. So disclaimer guys, kasi ang daming nagsasabi na Bretman rock ng iligan, you know, sa mga, kapag nagpo-post ako ng pictures, most of the time is they are going to compare me kay Bretman, and alam naman natin na si Bretman is, you know, medyo to the highest level na siya. So, I'll take that as a compliment kasi who am I para tumanggi, di ba? For your information, I am not really trying to be Bretman rock. I am not copying him, his style, or I guess meron kaming similarities, pero I am not Bretman rock. I am Jade. Period, yes.
I only use concealer. We're not gonna use no motherfucking foundation. That shit is too fucking heavy.
Wait,
So we're gonna be using the KKW concealers. I like how these have kind of
I
like a
wanna use
natural
my
finish. I like to say.
foundation.
Some people might disagree, but you know what? There's no argument here. There's no argument.
Okay, so she said no foundation, so we're going to do that for today's video. Girl.
First, on my beard area. And then, I follow up with number 10.
So nilagay niya dito.
Kind of like on top of it. Like that.
Nilagay niya
And then I
dito.
also like to cover up like, you know, any imperfections with this. Which there is a lot of. And then number 6, I like to put her like right here under the eyes, like that. Just once. And then one on top here, period. One on top here. And then I go back with number 9. Cause sometimes this is a little too light, so I like to kind of like calm her down with number 9.
Okay.
Like that. Some on the nose. Now we just wait and motherfucking wait. Because sometimes I feel like the product work a little bit better when you wait a little bit and it gets like kind of like dryish, the house. So
Yeah.
okay.
So ito yung ginawa niya. I do look like a voodoo doll as of now. And yeah, so first time ko nakita si Bretman is hindi ganito yung typical steps or procedures na ginagawa niya for his face or for his makeup. Kasi the first time I saw his video is yung how to contour, and that's way back junior high, grade 7 pa ako. So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So it's been 5 years. Yes, girl. So grabe yung pinag-iba ng technique niya, and yeah, that's it. If you're going to practice, everything will be alright.
Now I like to blend it out using this Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfecting number 7 all over it cosmetics brush. Period, bitch.
Okay, so wala akong
Yes,
ganong
yeah.
brush. So I'm
Sometimes I'll be
going
going to
to
the
stick
gym
with my
like this, like
other
oh my
brush.
God.
Yeah.
People be living for a bad bitch. They're like, wow, what's your skincare routine? This product called FFF. And they're like, oh my gosh, is it a moisturizer? And I'm like, it's talent. I don't say that, but I mean in my head. Try to avoid touching your brows, cause bitch, I just don't wanna fuck that up.
Okay, Bretman.
By using the smaller section, I like to kind of just, you know. Just make sure you blend that shit so good that like no one even suspects like shit. Like they don't even see the makeup. They don't even think like you're wearing makeup. Like I like this look because people like think I'm wearing makeup, but they don't know I actually am wearing makeup. Like, you know, it's a thought in their head. Like it could be makeup, it could not be makeup. You know what I mean? I don't know what the fuck I just said. Like sometimes I'm like, do you know what I mean? And I'm like, do I even know what I mean?
Period. That's always me.
Now that you have this, you're just going to go back and conceal the areas where it really is problematic and she's still trying to show up to the party.
Okay.
But she's like, bitch, you're not invited here. Get the fuck out. Like, I feel like this is Sweet 16 and some bitch shows up, like, not even invited. And I'm like, security, who the fuck is this bitch right here? Get her out. And she still stays, so then, you know, you gotta go back.
So, maliit lang yung nilagyan
Gotta go back and
niya.
let her know,
Yung
like,
mga
you're not invited
imperfections
here.
daw. So,
And that's on period.
that's
People
Bretman.
always
So,
say,
it's
like,
Jade
my
or so.
face looks
Medyo marami-rami.
fresh, and I'm like, oh my
So,
gosh.
bear with me.
It's really just, you know,
Talent.
talent.
Very
It's not because I have good skin. It's because I'm talented.
Period. Amen.
Like, fuck. Like, get that in your head. Like, people, most people who have clear skin is because they have talent. Of finessing, that they look like they have good skin. You know what I mean? And that's not the tea, that's the coffee.
Also, I'm gonna grab my water because I'm really avoiding coffee right now because nakita ko sa TikTok that coffee kills collagen. So, you know, we're not that perfect, pero let's try to be one, okay? Be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my water.
Oh my god. I just motherfucking thought of something. You know, instead of saying, what's the tea, sis? Bitch, we need to start thinking of something else. What's the caffeine, sis? What's the caffeine? What's the caffeine all about?
My
What is
big
everyone
nom.
talking about? What's the caffeine, bitch? What's all this? And then to really make it look like skin like, I like to just go ahead and use, like, you know, a beauty blender.
Okay. A beauty
Moving on, I'm
blender.
going to be
it is.
using Charlotte Tilbury powders, using the shades number 3 dark and number 2 medium. Using the Morphe brush E48, I'm going to be going in with number 2 and just applying that on areas where applied highlighter. I like to use like a really
I'm going to use my
small
Fit
amount of
Me
this. Like, I
by
really just go
Maybelline.
like just, cause bitch, you don't want to put too much of this bitch, cause she could look cakey the house. Like, the key is using light strokes. It might not seem like I'm doing light strokes, but bitch, I'm telling you I am. And you can
Light
believe
stroke
me
it, though.
if you want to. If you don't want to, then don't. I don't give a fuck, bitch. Cause bitch, it's not my face, it's yours, you know what I mean? And if you wanna apply that shit like this, that's on you. But I'm saying apply it like this, like that.
Okay.
If this fucking chair don't fucking stop creaking, I swear to fucking God. Next, we're gonna be going in with shade number 3. Sometimes she's a little too bronzy for me, so sometimes I like to mix her with shade number 2, but not today, bitch. I'm tan, it's summer. And like barely touch your skin, like barely touch it.
Okay, so she's using a darker shade powder, but I don't have any darker shade. This is the only powder I have, unless I am going to improvise with my contour. Yes, so I'm going to use my contour from Detail Makeover, and I'm just going to take, I guess this one, this is the lightest, the bronze, and I'm just going to apply it lighter para magmukhang natural pa din.
I'm tan, it's summer. And like barely touch your skin, like barely touch it. Just make sure that you're setting the concealer that you added. I like to put like a little bit on the nose like this. I don't really like to nose contour when I'm doing all this shit. I just like to look like the sun like hit me right here too, like on my nose area, because I don't know why. It's my face. That's why.
Bronzer na.
Bitch, we're almost done. We're almost fucking done.
Sa gilid ng
Now
nose.
we're gonna be using my favorite blush in the whole wide world. And guess why it's my favorite blush? Because I'm conceited and it's my blush from ColourPop. This blush is called, ooh, she's blushing or whatever. Well, without the or whatever part. It's just, ooh,
So for
she's
the blush,
blushing.
I'm still going to
This is from
use
ColourPop.
this
She's only like $5.
blush.
If you want to try her, links in the description. Now when I'm applying blush, bitch, I only like to apply like right outside here.
Yeah,
Because
for
sometimes when I'm
feel
bringing it here,
lifting
it makes me
effect.
look like a kid. That's a kid of color to you. Not just any kid, I'm a kid of color. But I'm trying to look like a woman of color, so
Sis.
I just, you know, apply right here.
Dito lang daw.
Did I add too fucking much? I added too much. I added too much. I added too much. I added too much. Oh my god.
So yeah, so the key para hindi maging
Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out,
It's
get out,
just-
get out, get out, get out, get out. Get out, get
work
out,
with
get
it.
out,
Work
get
with the
out.
color. You know, just build it up, bitch.
Okay. We're back. We're back. We're back. Ah! Okay. So that is the final fantasy. And then to set the makeup, we're gonna be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is from. Okay. So now to set the face, we're gonna be using the Morphe
Any setting
Continuous
spray, so
Setting
I'm just
Spray.
going
This
to
is
grab
great because
any
it's from
sprays
like
para
their
sa
Pride
face
collection
and-
thing. But we're just gonna. Period. Let that dry.
Fresh.
And
So
while
yeah.
that's drying, we're gonna, you know.
So Bretman
curl
is
our
curling
lashes.
his eyebrows and I don't have any curler kasi ninakaw. Yeah.
Cause bitch.
Oh,
I feel
so
like
I
my
don't have any
lashes are a
curler,
reflection
so
of me. If
I'm
my
just going
lashes
to
are
put
down, bitch,
my
I'm down
falsies.
too. And bitch,
And-
I'm not a down person. You know what I
Okay.
mean? We always
I'm
gonna
going
be.
to put my falsies. I'm just going to put my lashes on kasi wala akong curler. Yeah, so. Just going to put it. So yeah, this is my lashes for today's video. So it's kind of natural. And Bretman. Wala lang mang kahit lip gloss. I mean, anything sa lips, tints, wala lang man brown eyeshadow or something like that, or any highlighter because I know you love highlighter. I really want to use my highlighters, my, you know, my glosses. But yeah, ito yung in-instructive Bretman. So that's what we're going for today's video. We're just, you know, because we're recreating. So, whew, okay.
And before you head out, make sure you fucking get a makeup wipe and
Okay,
take off all of the
Bretman.
powder that might have landed on your lip because bitch, that might give away that.
Okay, so ito na pala. So, meron pa palang sa lips. Nakalimutan niyang sabihin. So, for the lips, Bretman is using a makeup wipe. So, for Jade, for today's video, I'm not going to use any makeup wipes kasi I don't have any makeup wipes. So, let's improvise. So, for today's video, I'm going to use, please presenting, my nephew's baby wipe. So, it's from Mercy Antibacterial Cleanse in 1 wipes. Embossed texture, no paraben. And yeah, and para magmukha tayong baby after, we're going to use a baby wipes. So, ding ding ding. Okay, I'm following. So there you go, guys. This is the final fresh face fantasy by Bretman Rock. Look. So if you do love this video and meron kang na-learn as I've learned something din kay Maring Bretman Rock, please do like this video, share, and comment guys kung anong gusto niyo para for me sa susunod na video. It can be challenges, it can be anything. Basta video. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe now. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para update ko kung wala ka na mag-upload. So, follow me to all my social media accounts. Everything is at Jadar. Facebook Jadar, Instagram Jadar, Twitter Jadar, TikTok Jadar, and girl. Wala na, okay? So, yun lang. And, yeah. So, don't forget the golden rule. Don't do just blend, but, bitch. Okay, so don't forget the golden rule. Don't do just blend, but blend. So, see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!